Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is a Monday. It's currently 3:03 p.m. I just got off of work actually like 30-40 minutes ago. I don't usually work Mondays, but I picked up a shift today because there was a shift opening, and so did my friend. Trying to get that money. Now I'm on my way to go get my nails done. I haven't gotten my nails done in forever. They look like this. I don't usually like getting my nails done. Well, that's a lie. I like getting my nails done. I don't like keeping up with getting my nails done because, one, main reason, the money aspect of it. It's just, it adds up and it gets expensive. And then second reason is it just damages my nails. But I just really feel like getting my nails done. I miss having nice nails, so we're gonna go. Here's my nails done. I just chose like a really sheer like jelly pink with some sparkles in it. I did get tips because my nails are really short right now. But yeah, so that's why the tops are kind of see-through, especially since the color I chose is like a sheer like jelly color, but still cute. So pretty. Hi. Hello. I accidentally fell asleep. So, took an impromptu 4-hour nap. I need to eat dinner now. I don't know what to eat. Should I make something? Or should I order something? I don't know. Or is there food in the fridge that I should just eat? Thought I should just let you guys know that I ate ramen. This is a simple packaged ramen with an egg and some imitation crab meat in it. Now I need to shower and wash my hair. I think it's like 1 in the morning. Yeah, oops. But I really need to wash my hair, so yeah. Gonna go do that. Good morning. Well, it's not really morning anymore. It's a Tuesday. It's Valentine's Day. And it's 12:36 p.m. I just made myself some lunch. Just made some eggs with sesame oil and stuff, and then salmon toast, smoked salmon toast. So excited. I'm so hungry. I have my laptop here because I'm gonna watch some YouTube in a second. But today, I don't have plans during the day. I have plans with my boyfriend for dinner tonight. He's working right now, so I have nothing to do until then. Maybe I'll clean my room. I've been needing to do that for like a while. Like declutter some areas and stuff. I didn't film me making the food because I wanted to get it done because I wanted to eat. I don't know if I should make my own matcha or stop by Starbucks. Maybe I'll go, treat myself. It's Valentine's Day. Never mind, I made my own matcha. I just really wanted it now and I didn't want to leave my house, so instant gratification. I am watching Alia on YouTube. If you don't know her, then what are you doing? Because I love her videos. It's just a whole vibe. All her videos are such a vibe and I love it. She is one of my favorite YouTubers for sure. My other favorite YouTuber is Kathleen Lights. I love her so much. She's so funny. So that is what I'm up to right now. Also, shout out to Abacada para sa Cultura. It is a Filipino brand from Chicago. And you guys should check them out because all their stuff is so great. Yeah, for the culture. Alright, I am ready for the night. I was gonna film me doing my makeup, but I'm running late, so I didn't have time for that. But here's my outfit. Just wearing a tank top with this skirt from Zara, and then this light pink blazer, I think from H&M, and then just loafers. Cute. Let's go eat! But also, here's my makeup. I did like a cute little pink eye.
It's as big as my face.
Hello. It's a Monday and it's 1:28 in the afternoon. I look like a mess. It's also been like a week since I last filmed anything. I just made myself some lunch. My smoked salmon toast and some eggs with sesame oil because it's so good. We'll see what I get into today. I just did my makeup. I have nothing to do and nowhere to go, but I just did it because I felt like it. I did a 30-minute Pilates flow, like a beginner one. It was really, really nice. It was just super chill, and there were definitely some moments that burned and kind of hurt, but overall it was really chill and relaxing. And yeah, just trying to get back into working out for the 100th time. And then I just showered. As you can maybe probably tell, my hair is drying right now. I'm letting it air dry a little bit more before I do it, but yeah. So that's what I've been up to. 1, 2, 3. What'd you get? Just Thai tea?
See, if that was me,
No!
I would be in trouble. What is it, good?
Yes, but I'm upset. Stop flexing. I'm upset now. We're at Target to make me feel better since I spilled my drink in my car.
What do you smell like if your fans only smell?
Coconut cloud. Not coconut cloud.
No, I was like, that's not right.
Coffee cloud. But they're out of it because it's the best smelling one apparently.
Did you figure out your fan's name?
No,
Charleen tea?
I'm not having it.
Valentine
No.
tea? You want to be like the broad squad?
No. I don't like any of these other ones. I wonder if they have Posca pens.
Pasta pens?
Posca, Posca.
What is that?
I don't know. Colored marker paint things.
I like pasta pen better.
Because Amelia really wanted some. What's wrong with my camera that you're looking at other cameras?
Cheating on your camera with this camera.
Oh. Look at her. Hee hee. Wow, good job. Oh, swing. And swing. No, what happened? Do it. Yay!
Here.
Go shoot the other ball.
Luca.
Yay! Ready? Set. One. Whee! Oh yeah, go sing. Yay!
My vlog. What's up, Broad Squad?
Is that what you want?
Yeah, that's what I say. Her fans are my fans. And they're the Broad Squad.
You've never seen that before?
Ew.
Air bubble. That's when you push hard.
And then break.